Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Instagram broadcast channel not showing. If you want to fix the Instagram broadcast channel not showing, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not already have one, create a new account to continue. Make sure that your account is public. If your account is private, you will need to switch it. To do that, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and select Creator Tools and Controls. From here, tap on Switch Account Type. Here, select the switch to the business account. Follow the on-screen steps to set it up. Once your account is switched to a professional public account, you will be able to access more features, including broadcast channels. If you still do not see the option, go to Help in your settings. Tap on Report a Problem, or simply shake your phone, and the option to report will appear. Here, you can explain that your broadcast channel is missing, you need help to fix it. After completing these steps, the broadcast channel should become available. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.